Problem 23. A triangle or a square is placed in each of the 9 squares in a 3 by 3 grid. Shown below is a sample configuration with 3 triangles in a line. How many configurations will have 3 triangles in a line and 3 squares in a line? So there's 2 ways that you could have these lines. Either you have them vertically, like this way, or you have them horizontally. And so for each of these ways, you have to consider that you have 2 lines here. For example, let's say we have these two. The first 2 columns are our triangle line and our square line and our circle line. And then you have a 3rd column which is randomly distributed. However, at the same time, in this randomly distributed way, you could still have it just coincidentally end up in 3 triangles or 3 circles. So in that case, you have to subtract a number of cases to ensure you don't have overlap between different ways. So first you would multiply everything by 2, since it could either be horizontal or it could be vertical. So then you have, first you choose which line is going to be the random line. And so that means you have 3 choices of that. Then you choose which of the 2 other lines are going to be the circle or the triangle. So that's 2 ways. And then you randomly you randomize the 3rd line. And to subtract the number of overlapping ways, you subtract 2, which is either triangle or circle, and you multiply that by 6. And the reason you have 6 is because there are 6 different lines in which the randomized line could be already seen before. So that's 3 ways vertically and then 3 ways horizontally. So we can calculate this out as 2 times 6 times 8 minus 12 equals 96 minus 12 equals 84. So the answer is D, 84. So actually this is a counting problem, but there's a lot of ways in which you could count this out. So there could be other ways that you think about it, but this is just one possible way.